Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you how to make Filipino Spanish bread. This time I won't be using eggs. In 470 ml, about 2 cups of milk or water, use 10 to 11 grams of yeast and set aside to activate. The yeast should become foamy or bubbly if it is active. By the way, if you're using powdered milk, just use water to activate yeast and add 20 grams of powdered milk to your dry ingredients later. Next, prepare the margarine and sugar for the bread filling. Mix well. Then add half a cup of yellow breadcrumbs. Continue mixing until fully combined. Set aside for later use. In 1 kilo of flour, add your yeast mixture. It's actually fruity now. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of lard, or you can use 3 tablespoons of lard only. Let's start kneading. For kneading dough, guys, it's involved pushing, stretching, and folding. Continue mixing until fully combined and transfer it to the mat for kneading. For kneading, guys, it's involved pushing, stretching, and folding. Keep folding and turning the dough until smooth and not sticky. Now gently stretch a small piece of dough. If you can stretch like this, the dough is slightly ready. Allow the dough to rest. It helps relax the gluten and wait until double in size. Now it's time for shaping dough. To shape the dough, you can dust it with flour. However, if your dough is kneaded well, it usually won't stick, so dusting isn't always necessary. Anyway, guys, I hope you learned from it today, and just continue and follow the video and bake for 15 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.